Hi everyone. Welcome back to English Guru. Today, we're diving into 30 common mistakes English speakers make and, most importantly, how to fix them. Ready to level up your English? Let's get started. Mistakes in pronunciation. 1. Pronouncing Wednesday as Wed-nes-day instead of Wednesday. Fix, skip the D and just say Wednesday.
Wens-day.
Wens-day.
2. Mispronouncing iron as I run instead of I run. Fix, emphasize the I sound, so it sounds like I run.
Iron. Iron everywhere.
3. Saying receipt with a P sound instead of receipt. Fix, silent P, just say receipt.
And this is my receipt for your receipt.
4. Saying debut as debut instead of De-byu. Fix, it's De-byu, not debut.
The Sadness, 2021. By Rob Jabaz, his directorial debut.
5. Saying Ve-hick-el as Ve-hick-el instead of Vee-i-kul. Fix, split it into 2 syllables, Vee-i-kul.
Ve-hick-el.
Grammar mistakes. 6. Using discuss about instead of just discuss. Fix, about is unnecessary. Just say, discuss the issue. 7. Mixing up I and me, like me and him went to the store. Fix, say he and I went to the store. 8. Saying would with if in conditional sentences. Fix, use if I go, I will tell you, instead of if I would go. 9. Using do one thing when giving instructions. Fix, try let's do this, or here's an idea. 10. Using out of station instead of out of town. Fix, native speakers usually say, I'm out of town.
Out of town, everybody!
Common vocabulary errors. 11. Confusing fun and funny. Fix, fun is enjoyable, funny makes you laugh. 12. Saying tensed instead of tense. Fix, I feel tense, no D at the end. 13. Using pass out for graduate. Fix, say I graduated from college, not passed out. 14. Saying revert back instead of just revert. Fix, revert already means to respond, no back needed. 15. Using paining instead of hurting. Fix, say my head hurts, not my head is paining. Sentence structure errors. 16. Saying return back instead of just return. Fix, return already means to come back. 17. Overusing it when referring to something not specific. Fix, use there is or there are instead of its. 18. Using more better instead of just better. Fix, better alone already means more good. 19. Mixing up too and very. Fix, use too only for excess, e.g., too much. 20. Adding only unnecessarily in sentences. Fix, instead of I just want this only, say I only want this. Common spelling and punctuation mistakes. 21. Confusing loose with lose. Fix, loose is opposite of tight, lose means not to win. 22. Mixing up advice, noun, and advise, verb. Fix, advice, noun, take my advice, advise, verb I advise you. 23. Using apostrophes wrongly in plurals. Fix, don't add an apostrophe to make plurals, like apples. 24. Writing a lot instead of a lot. Fix, it's 2 words, a lot. 25. Mixing up then and then. Fix, then for comparisons, then for time. Misused phrasal verbs. 26. Saying explain me instead of explain to me. Fix, explain to me is correct. 27. Confusing borrow with lend. Fix, you borrow something from someone, they lend it to you. 28. Saying overlook for oversee. Fix, oversee means to supervise, overlook means to miss. 29. Confusing look and see. Fix, you look at something deliberately, but see it by chance. 30. Using remember me to instead of give my regards to. Fix, say, give my regards to your family. So, did you learn something new? These are small adjustments, but they make a big difference in clear and confident communication. Keep practicing, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next video on English tips and tricks. Thanks for watching English Guru. See you next time.